The Ultimate Triple Crown Jewelry Review, tutorial from zero to pro in 1 minute. If you're searching for affordable jewelry that still makes a statement, most people get this wrong. They judge only the photos. The surprising truth is that Triple Crown Jewelry offers trendy pieces that look high-end, but results depend on how wisely you shop. Start with the materials. Look for stainless steel or sterling silver if you want durability. If the listing only says metal without details, that's a red flag. Real quality brands share composition, weight, and plating thickness. You want jewelry that survives more than one night out. Next, check the clasp, chain type, and measurement. You won't believe how many buyers order a necklace only to find it's much shorter than expected. A standard woman's chain is often 16 to 18 inches. Anything less might fit like a choker. Customer reviews are your best friend. Pay special attention to comments about tarnishing or skin irritation. Jewelry that turns green quickly probably isn't worth the price, no matter how nice it looks in the picture. Also, evaluate shipping and packaging. If the brand claims gift ready, but customers receive bare plastic pouches, expectations and reality don't match. Triple Crown Jewelry can offer stylish pieces at attractive prices, but you must set realistic expectations. These aren't investment diamonds, they're fashion accessories to refresh your look without spending big. In conclusion, go from zero to pro by choosing well-described materials, checking sizes, reviewing customer photos, and treating each piece with care. With smart buying habits, Triple Crown Jewelry can deliver shine, confidence, and compliments without draining your wallet.